Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app na ka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa baki jan jongpi kin kuit bha, benar kam, da ka Oswell Soup, hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Ka Meghalaya State Naming Authority Committee haka arpan rew tere unaitung araja pulai kalarai ban pha khat lai tli kijing Tyrwa na ka benta ban Pynkylla Kyrteng ya ki kattu kat ni ki surok kieng bat ki Jaka ya ki ba ansapha syaka kunhun menteri bakan ajing munjur hadin belawai ka jingelang u chairman jong ka committee u rakam sangma u balong ru u menteri ka sarkar jelau lai thu bakini ki khat lai tli kijing Tyrwa ban Pynkylla ki Kyrteng ki dei ki belapha de ki tnat trekam per kinong mikmat bat kirishimet.
Meghalaya State Naming Authority Committee. This is the first sitting of this committee of this MD82 government. So we have received certain proposals from certain sections of the department, certain MLAs, certain individuals, and we have discussed and approved in the committee to be placed for the cabinet for final approval. Next cabinet, certain road and certain buildings, certain locations, certain changes in the renaming of certain roads and the buildings and the location that we have taken up to date that will be placed in the cabinet maybe in the next cabinet. We have about 13 proposals we have received, and certain proposals that have already placed in the cabinet before, but due to certain to be examined further have been sent back, so we have rectified and pressing for cabinet to be approved.